today I show you how to remove the SIM card and the memory card from your Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, same as Mark 6, and I believe all the Sony Xperia phones, they have this tool-less. The Sony Xperia phones have this system where you don't need a tool, you don't need a pin, you don't need a paperclip. The phone itself has a tray that you can actually easily remove. The SIM card and the microSD memory card, if you have it. Sony Xperia also has a headphone jack and the memory card and the SIM card. So first step is to remove the case if you have a case, and at this step you might want to clean the case also. Clean the phone. Phone is in pretty good shape. This phone has the case and the screen protector. At first I used it without a screen protector, and even without the case. But you can see the dent here when I dropped it. It's okay. The screen, the display is fine. It survived the fall, and really nothing really happened. On the lower side of the phone here is where you find the SIM card tray. That's the SIM card tray on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. And I think all the Sony Xperia phones, they have this. Probably all the Sony Xperia phones have this tray now, these days. And that's where you have the memory card and the SD card. MicroSD card and the SIM card are here. So to remove it, you just use your nail like that, like this. There is a little bit of a gap there. You just have to put your nail there and pull it out. Like this. It has there is a rubber gasket, so it might not come out easily. But when it does come out, make sure you hold it from top and bottom. It's filled. On this side you have the memory card, microSD card, I think I need to get a bigger microSD card, but it's really convenient to have this. You have the SIM card. The only requirement is to have the pins facing outwards so they can make contact with the actual phone. And now, if I remember correctly, the SIM card goes on top. Easy. You really just press it in. And the last moment here, you have to make sure this gap is closed completely. So press it, and now it's flush with the rest of the case. You should have the signal, mobile signal, and your microSD card should be accessible. So this is the SD card now, trying to access it. Okay, I'm getting the signal from the mobile. So if you did change your SIM card, this is how you do it. You remove the old SIM card and you put the new one. And even now also the SD card is okay. Now also the SD card is okay, so everything is okay. So that's how you remove the SD card. That's how you remove the SIM card and the SD card from Sony Xperia 1 V. And could pretend to clean the case a little bit. So put the phone back in the case. I put it wrong. I put it on the wrong side. Should be like that. Once you set the phone in the case, make sure you still have signal and your memory card is still working if you have one inserted. And that's all. Thanks for watching.